Getting project requests in an efficient manner can be a great way for an in-house creative team to save time on sifting through emails and get the exact information that the team needs to get started on the work coming in. Request forms in FunctionFox allow you to speed up this process and focus more on the creative work you do. Inside of FunctionFox in-house, under projects, you can find the request form feature. Before you create a request form though, you will want to set up your custom fields. This can be accessed by going Projects, Request Forms, then clicking Fields. This will bring you to another page for setup. Once you have your fields set up, we can now set up a brand new form. Let's cover the left side of the page first. First step is to enter the name of the form and decide who on your team is the owner of the form, as well as who will get email notifications when new requests from this form come in. With that set, we can now get to the first part of form customization. Form title is the name of the form that will appear to those using the form, while form message generally provides basic information about the form itself. You can do some formatting to the message using the options below the text box. Next, we would suggest keeping the confirmation email checked and writing a small message as well. This email goes to the submitter of the project and allows them to keep the info they filled out. Then decide if you want the form to be single column by checking the box or double column by leaving it unchecked. Lastly, decide the minimum days until project starts. If we did 5 days, for instance, the earliest requestable due date would be 5 days from today. Now, let's focus on the right side. First, you have your fields. This includes basic project information as well as the custom fields you have created. You can change the order of these by simply dragging them around. Next, you have Show and Rec or Required. Show will cause the field to appear on the form, while Required forces an answer before the form can be submitted. Default allows you to select a default answer, and finally, Alternate Name allows you to change the name of a field. The final two columns are Tooltip and HTML. Tooltip allows you to provide further information about a field that can be hovered over to see the instructions without being intrusive to the form itself. HTML allows you to section off each part of the form. For example, you can have one section be contact details, while another is project detail requests. This will appear above the field you attach it to. Worth noting, you can provide the option of having requesters attach files to the form as well. Just make sure to click the side upload files before saving the form. If you're happy with the form, hit Save New. Then click the name of the form to open it up. As you can see, the form is now ready to go, and you just need to share the URL of the form to those who need to make requests. The request form is an extremely powerful feature for streamlining requests coming in. If you have any questions at all about setting up a request form, do reach out to staycreative@functionfox.com. We would be glad to help you and your team stay creative.